Forever multiplayer connection error fix. Issue. Forever online multiplayer not working. Connection failed. Step 1. Restart your internet router. Turn off your Wi-Fi router for 30 seconds. Turn it back on and wait for full connection. Launch the game again and test multiplayer. Step 2. Check game server status. Sometimes servers are under maintenance. Wait a few minutes and retry connecting. Check official game pages for outage updates. Step 3. Use a stable internet connection. Avoid weak mobile hotspot connections. Use Ethernet cable for better stability. Stop large downloads running in background. Step 4. Disable VPN or proxy. VPNs can block game servers. Turn off any active proxy settings. Restart the game after disabling VPN. Step 5. Allow the game through firewall. Open Windows Defender Firewall. Add Forever to allowed applications. Enable both private and public network access. Step 6. Update the game. Open Steam or your game launcher. Download the latest Forever update. Restart launcher after updating. Step 7. Change DNS settings. Open network settings on Windows. Use Google DNS 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4. Save settings and reconnect internet. Step 8. Verify game files. Corrupted files can cause online issues. Use Verify Integrity of Game Files option. Let missing files repair automatically. Step 9. Close background network apps. Disable torrent apps and downloads. Close streaming or cloud sync software. Free up internet bandwidth for the game. Step 10. Reinstall Forever. Uninstall the game completely. Delete leftover config/cache files. Install a fresh updated version of Forever again.